What's up, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to reset the maintenance light on a '08 Lexus LS 460. First thing you want to do, you come over here, go to your trip, and go to, get in there, trip A, and then you want to push the reset and hold it down and turn off the car. And then click it once, click it twice while holding the reset button. And then you have the reset maintenance data resetting. There you have it. Now I'm just turn the car off. Start it up. Oh, we got the air filter reset. We'll do another video on how to reset that one. But there you go. My wonderful 16 miles a gallon. Hope this helped, guys.